Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid, rear wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.